how to add Red AI to Microsoft Teams. So in this video, I'll show you how to add Red AI in Microsoft Teams. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft App Source. So you cannot download it or add it directly on Microsoft Teams, but what you can do is to go ahead and add it to your Microsoft app. So on Microsoft App Source, go ahead and search for Red AI. And then on the results, go ahead and click on the very first result on the search result, and that will take you into a new page. So from there, you can go ahead and learn more things on how you can use Red AI on your Microsoft Teams. So to be able to add it or enable it on your Microsoft Teams, you need to make sure that you have a work or school account on Microsoft. Red AI does not support personal Microsoft accounts such as at Outlook.com or at Hotmail.com account. So you need to have a work or school account on Microsoft to be able to add it to your Microsoft Teams. So if you do have that, you can go ahead and enter that into the section and then click on sign in and sign in into that account. And then once you have authorized the connection in between your Microsoft account and Red AI, you can go ahead and proceed on configuring your preferences. So inside the Red AI dashboard, you can enable automatic meeting summaries, turn on engagement tracking, choose which meeting Red AI should join, and use Red AI in your meeting. So when you schedule or join a Teams meeting, Red AI will automatically join if enabled and record and transcribe the meeting. It will also generate a summary with key points, action items, and speaker insights. So after each meeting, you can go ahead and head over into your Red AI dashboard or check your Teams chat, and you'll be able to find a concise summary, talk time analytics, engagement scores, and action items and highlights. And that is how you can basically add Red AI to Microsoft Teams. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.